Yeah, this is about the question number 174609 on Sikuli, which is about the indentation issue. Now, what I'm trying to explain is, let's say this is the newer version of Sikuli. I go ahead and open a new script. So let's say I'm opening um, the script. Okay, so this is a new script. I mean, this is a script which was written in the prior version. Now what I'm trying to explain is this is the if condition, and if I go to the first statement inside the if condition and I put the cursor on the starting of the line, then you would see that the column number is being displayed as 2. So if condition is at column number 1 and the statement inside the if condition is at column number 2. So Python would consider it as a correct syntax, IDE would consider it as a correct index, and the script would work. But now as you are looking at that, I have opened the script in the newer version. Okay, now I want to edit this script. Let's say I want to add a new statement inside the if condition. I press the enter, and the cursor comes at the right place. It seems at the right place, so I start writing it, and you can see it's perfectly okay. It looks good visually. But if you come here at the place where you had the cursor, when you had clicked the enter, when you had pressed the enter, uh, you see that column number is 5. Okay, now if you go back to the first line inside the if condition, the prior first line, which is now the second line, the column number is 2. This is column number 5. So when you try to run it, the script fails, saying that these two lines are not at the correct indentation or something like that. Now I know that you propose a solution that I go to file and preferences, and what I do, text editing. Let's say this is the solution, like I can change it to 1. Okay, so if I change it to 1, I have changed it to 1. Now I'm doing the same thing. I'm going to if condition, I'm pressing the enter, then you see nothing happens. And suppose if it had to happen, then your script would have come here. The script might come here, and you start writing like this. So this is the second line, and this is the this is the second column, and this is the second column. So the script would work if I had deleted this. So the script would work that this is at column 2, this is at column 2. So the script would work, but then you don't see the you don't see that this is correctly indented visually, at least. So you never know that this is the right way to do it. Now what about the shift tab? If I do tab shift whatever, then also it's the same problem, that if I do, let's say, shift tab, then I'm moving to column 4, then I'm calling column 3 and column 2, and I start writing this C1, which is correct, but then it doesn't look visually right. This is column 2, this is column 2, both are at the same column. See, this is column 2 and this is column 2, so both are at the same column, but they don't look correct visually. Like this is quite near to the left rail, and this is like 4 spaces beyond the left rail. So this is the problem I'm talking about, that with the new ID, if you try to open the script written in the older ID and try to um, edit the any if condition, if you try to do anything inside loop condition, then you either see a failure if you go ahead with tab shift tab or auto indentation, or if you try to find the solution, find the problem and try to solve it like this, then it doesn't look visually correct, does it?